Tokyo, Japan. There's no question it's one of the world's top food cities. Today, I'm taking you on an exclusive sushi journey where we're going to see the entire sushi cycle, from the fish auction to the tuna slicing to eating sushi right out of the fingers of the chef. Get ready to witness the art of the best sushi in the world. Hey everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. Catch of the day is in, and exactly where we're going. Oh wow, now that is a chunk of fish. Oh yeah. This is where the auction is happening. This is if you ever eat the best sushi, the best comes through this market and this auction. It's so amazingly or quite soothing to listen to them auction. Actually sings a song. They literally just go fish after fish. The best sushi chefs have their really quick brief overview.
Here, Saito, Sato, Kimura, everybody buys it.
Looking forward to actually is when they're gonna start cutting the tuna, and the tuna are straight from the auction. So fascinating to watch him as he cuts up the tuna, and there's an exact move they need to make. They cut off the fin, cut off various bones, but they know it's so precise. They know exactly. And as he's slicing up that tuna, we got 142 kilos.
ちょっとこの魚は赤身が強いから。
ワン、ツー、スリー、ね。これかこれかこれ切るときみたいな。ランチ飯した。あ、だいぶもうね。さあこちら。よっしゃ。できますので、大体結構できます。前先。
That was just incredible.
Mark, we're eating.
We're eating? Yes.
Live. We're eating live. You jump.
Squirming around, and oh man, it does not get fresher. That shrimp literally almost has the sticky texture of peanut butter. Oh, that's like a mouthful of the sea. That's melt in your mouth. That's. Oh, eat it.
This is the bluefin tuna, it's the horn maguro. It's the most premium fish in the world. This fish is like 60 kg. It's almost the weight of a human being also. So this fish is actually from Tsukiji Market from Tokyo, and it's actually air flown this morning. So you guys will be enjoying this fish within 24 hours from Tsukiji itself to your plates. The different parts of it include the akami, which is the red meat, the chutoro, which is a mix of both fatty and red meat, and the otoro, which is the tuna belly, and that is one of the most expensive sashimi that you can find on the market. And the other premium cuts that most of people would not know about is the kamatoro, which is actually the cheek of the tuna. This is the tuna collar, this is the kamatoro, this is the fattiest, and this is one of the best part of the tuna other than the otoro itself. This is the otoro. It's mentioned the fatty tuna, so you can see that the color of the meat is almost white. That's the fat content inside the fish. And it's only the fish of this kind of size that get such a high fat content. And this kind of fat, right, is it's almost similar to Wagyu beef. So when you eat it, it will melt on your mouth. This one is the chutoro, so it's a mix of both the fatty tuna and the lean meat. So as you can see, the meat is not that fatty, but yet it's a good mix of both a little bit of fat and lean meat. This is the top line of the tuna. So this meat is called the akami. It's red meat. It might look very similar to the yellowfin tuna that you eat outside, but you find that it's a very different taste and texture as compared to yellowfin tuna. Okay, now you are removing the middle bone of the tuna. So this is actually the backbone of the fish itself. We will scrape the meat off the bones for this later, and then we will chop the meat up here later, and then we will make it into negitoro for you guys to try.